guys, welcome back to 𝙇𝙖𝙧𝙣. 我係你老師 Gloria. So as you know that this day I feel painful. Sometimes I really want to escape to somewhere I don't know. I really want to go back to the moment that there is no pleasures and just free of happiness. I remember when I was a kid, I loved to play this game before because it sounds like we're trying to imitate our real life. So why not we learn Cantonese while play Sims today? Since my laptop is a business laptop and I can't afford to buy Sim 4, so I will play Sim 3 only. So today we are going to learn some Cantonese about appearance through this game, The Sims. This channel is about learning Cantonese and Mandarin. I will post a video once a week and post notes every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you don't want to miss my tutorials, videos, and notes, please subscribe my channel and click the bell. If you want to have a private Cantonese or Mandarin lesson with me, please contact me on this social media. And if you want to support me, you can go to my Patreon page or donate by PayPal to buy me a bubble tea. I really appreciate your bubble tea and donation. And feel free to join in my group and please don't leave me, okay? So first, let's create the Sims. I'm trying to create a Gloria. So let's see. Here they have like gender, 性別 男人 and 女人. So here they have different age. I mean the baby is BB. The kids, that is 細路仔. The boy, 細路女, the girl, or 小朋友 for kids. And then this is the teenager, is 青少年. And then for adult, that is 大人. And then for the old people is 老人. So of course Gloria is 大人, okay? And then we can see here is about our shape. For me, you know, I'm quite skinny. So 好瘦 skinny, thin, 瘦. And then for fat, that is 肥. As you know, you can see that I'm quite skinny. So that is 瘦. And then here is for the muscle. This one is no muscle, 冇肌肉. And here that is quite strong, right? 好強壯. I think my size is like this. Yeah, my size is like this. You know, because my arm have little bit muscle on it. Next one we could see about our hair. They have lots of hairstyle here. Let's see the color first. This one is 金髮 or 金毛. This one, that is 紅髮 黑髮. And this, I think this one is still good for me. Still 金毛. Yeah, still 金色. And this one, all of them, that is 棕色 brown, 棕色. And this is like 深棕色, the dark brown, 深 dark. And this one is a 淺棕色, 淺 literally means like light up. And the last one, that is 銀色 or 白色. Right now there's lots of young people, they would like to dye their hair into 銀色. I will choose this one, 黑色, because I'm Chinese. Then let's talk about our hairstyle. So this is 中長髮 is middle long hair, 中長髮. This one is 長髮. This is 短髮. This looks very nice. So this one is like braid our hair, that is 鬢邊. 我唔識鬢邊. I don't know how to braid hair. This one is about our stand style. So this one is 中分. This one 中分. So I'm not 中分 actually. Yeah, I'm like this. 三七分. This girl, she has the straight bands. That is 齊音. So that one is 音 bang. Straight bands. So that is 齊音. Because my hair is a little bit curly, so curly hair is 亂髮. And I know some guys, they will say they don't have hair, that is 光頭. Yeah, I prefer to use this one because she has like something on her rain. And this game is quite nice. It will also help us to pick is eyebrow. Eyebrow is 眉毛. We could also like trying to make our eyelash longer. So that is 眼睫毛. Actually, my eyelash is it's normal. I just use this one. Let's change about our face. So first, this one is 頭 because my face is a little bit big. Yeah, it's like this one. It's quite short and quite big. Okay. 我塊面好大. My face is big. Yeah, you could try to make your 下巴. We could change our 下巴 into longer or shorter. My 下巴 is quite short actually. Then we could also change the 耳仔. The 耳仔 size. My 耳仔 is just normal size. I will not change it actually. Here is talk about our eyes. Eyes is 眼. So I think my eye looks big. That's what I think. Okay, that's quite cute. That is not my eyes. Maybe this one is normal. Is it the same one? No?
A few moments later.
Okay, another one is about our nose. 鼻. And then we could also change our shape of 嘴. This is totally different one. We could also see if we could put the mark on it, and that is mark. Mark is our mole, and then we could also put the wrinkles on it. 皺紋. Okay, so basically that's me. So that's what we learned today about our appearance. Let's learn one more time again. So this is our 眉毛, and this is our 眼睫毛, and this is our 頭髮, and my hair is curly, then that is 亂髮. If my hair is not curly and is straight, so I would say 直髮. My eyes, 眼, ear, 耳仔, mouth, 嘴, face, 面. 我塊面好大啊. My face is big. 我塊面好大啊. And this one is 鼻哥. About our brands, that is 陰仔. And since I don't have 陰仔, actually, if I have, and then that is straight, that is 齊陰. If we are skinny, 瘦. If we are strong, 好 fit. So that is what we learned today. If you like this series, and then please give me a thumb up. And if you want to play this game, and I was 100% recommend you to play this game. When you feel boring and trying to experience more in your life, but you can't, you could do everything here. Like you could go to the college, you could learn lots of stuff, and you could have lots of girlfriends, you can have lots of marriage, you can have lots of kids, have lots of house, money, this kind of stuff, you know. Actually, I really like this game a lot, but once when you play too much this kind of game, you will feel like, oh, c'est la vie. And I really hope that you like this video. I would like to teach Cantonese by this game with you more. So please like my video and see you soon.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.